Hi everyone. The portion of the week, this week parashat shlach lecha, when God is telling Moses that if he wish to send 12 spies to spy the land, then he can do that. So we have the spy affair at the beginning of this parasha. And as it says, and Moses sent them to visit, like to tour the land of Canaan. So Moshe was telling them, hinting to them, tour the land, which means come back and say good things. This is a warning for all of us since then till today, that the land of Israel is the Holy Land. And if we speak bad on the land doesn't keep silent, and the land is giving back, is answering back. And the land is answering with judgment upon the people that say that the land is not good. We can say that we behave not good, or the people sometimes in the land behaving not good, but not to say that the land is not good. So therefore we need to watch out from that, because the land of Israel is very envious. The Shekhinah, the divine light that is controlling over the land, is very envious and doesn't want anyone to talk bad on her. So this is one thing that we need to be careful of talking bad on the land of Israel. And I will speak about few points very quickly, even though that there are many points on this parasha. Moses is, before sending them to the land of Israel, he knows that Joshua is going with the spy, and he knows that they can take a bad advice. He is feeling it already, even though that he is guiding them to choose well. So he wants to protect Joshua. So therefore, the Torah is speaking here about changing of a name in order to change the destiny of a person, or to protect a person from a danger that can come. Here Moses is giving the name Joshua to Joshua, as at the beginning it was Oshea bin Nun, without the letter Yud at the beginning, and is adding to him the letter Yud, which is from the name of God the highest letter, the first one. And the Zohar is saying the reason that he's adding it, because it creates the meaning of God will save you from the advice of the spy. So God will save you. Ya Yoshiacha, God will help you, will save you. So the additional letter is changing the destiny of Joshua, protects him. So this is why sometimes in difficult situations, changing of a name can create the difference between even death or life. This is the power of changing of a name. So therefore it needs to be considered carefully, and it's not a game just to change names or to invent names. And this is why it's important to choose proper, powerful names from the beginning, and not names that are associated with something negative. Because if we give a name after a relative that his life were not good, then we might, not every time, we might draw negative energy by giving that name. So it's important to choose names that are powerful and positive, that can assist the person and protect the person. Before he's sending them, he's telling them few things what to check in the land of Israel. And one of the things that he's telling them is to check if there is a tree or not. It's not if there is a tree. Obviously that there are trees in the land of Israel, but the idea that is asking them which tree of life is controlling in the land of Israel. The Zeir Anpin, the level of the Vav of Tetragrammaton, or the level of the crown, Keter, the tip of the Yud, the first dot on the letter Yud, which means the Keter. Because Zeir Anpin, the lower level, means the frame of judgment. So he's asking them what rules in Israel, the frame of judgment, or the frame of crown, which is total mercy, total control of the light of God, in a merciful way, not in a judgmental way. Think it's energy beyond nature. So why is asking them that? Why is telling them that? Because they have the power to determine which energy will be revealed and will rule and will be revealed in the land of Israel. If they say that this is the energy of Zeir Anpin, small face, this is the lower level, the energy of judgment rules there, this is what is going to rule. Because this is the people of Israel that are coming to create a union with the land and to reveal the energy. So it depends on the union that they are making. So it depends on their thoughts, speaking, and actions. So when they spoke and said that the land is not good, they brought the energy of judgment to rule over the land of Israel. This is why, in fact, why Moses could not enter, because Moses was on a different realm. He was already, if he was supposed to enter the land of Israel, it's just if the energy of mercy is total mercy is ruling over the land of Israel. This is from the crown energy. So they chose wrong. And the Kabbalists are saying the question that he was asking them, Ayesh, if there is, or Ain, if there isn't, two words there, Yesh Ain, creates the word Shi'ani, that this is what Eve said to God when he was asking, why did you eat from the tree of knowledge? She said, the snake tempted me. The temptation came from the snake. He started that, which means he was lying to me. He brought to me the energy of doubt. So here we have a choice if we want to connect with the energy of judgment of Israel, or we know that the land is good and we want to connect with the energy of mercy, total mercy in the land of Israel. Then after that they spoke the evil tongue and the people were crying, the people of Israel, God wanted to erase all the nation and to start a new nation from Moses. And Moses is praying again to remove judgment from the people of Israel. And one of the channels, powerful channels in the parashat that take place is a big letter Yud, Igdal na koach Hashem, that the letter Yud again, from the name of God, bring the energy, Moses using it to bring the energy of mercy and to remove the judgment from the people of Israel. So at the end of the parasha, there is another point that I want to mention. It's the portion about the tzitzit that we are wearing. And this portion associated, according to the Kabbalists, to the lower part of the organs in the body of a human being, to the hips, the legs, and all the sex organs. So therefore, it's an energy of healing that we can channel through this parasha. So we have here energy to remove judgment, to sweet judgment, and to bring energy of healing to us through this parasha. Wish to everyone Shabbat Shalom, and we'll be in touch. Bye.